Next, in projection of planes, page number 18, lesson number 5, question number 9. Question number 9, lesson number 5. Why? Because this is the lesson number 5. Lesson number 5, in projection of planes, page number 8, question number 9. A thin regular plate of size 60 mm 30 mm has its shorter side is in the VP and inclined at 30 degrees to HP. Project its top view. Its front view is a square of 30 mm long sides. Projects its front view is a square. So why? Because in our objective here, first you want to draw initial stage, next inclined stage, next final stage. So that's why here see, remember that shorter side is in the VP and inclined 30 degrees to HP. Project its top view. Why? Because in this case, how much the plane is inclined to HP or VP should not given, but indicate that in the projections already know rectangular area is converted into square in the projections already That's why here first you want to take XY line. So XY line, then you want to take the rectangular plate means 60 by 30. So that's why here you want to take, give here there is no restriction. That's why first you want to take 60 by 30. 60 by 30. Why? Because this is the rectangle. 60 by 30, draw a rectangle. So A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. This length is 60 and this length is 30. Why? Because this is shorter side, this is longer side. So first you want to draw the front view is a rectangle. Sides are 60 by 30. Means which is the largest length, that is the length. Larger dimension is the length and the shorter dimension is the width. So that's why 60 by 30. Once you want to draw thirdly, it is shorter side is in the VP. That's why top view is on XY. That's why you want to extend here up to here. So this is the top view. So top view is thick. Similarly, front view is thick. So by using HB pencil, draw front view rectangle thick, the top view a line. In projection of planes, always remember that one view gives the true shape, one view is the line. One view gives the true shape, one view is the line. Similarly here, one view gives the true shape, one view is the line. This is called as initial stage. Initial stage in projection of planes figures, first one view gives the true shape, one view is the line. So this is A and B and this is C and D. But remember that in planes, in second stage, what he said that is a top view, prior top view, its front view is a square of 30 mm long sides. That's why you want to extend these sides up to some distance. Why? Because it convert like a square. Square means 30 by 30. So that's why anywhere you want to take 30 by 30. So this is 30. Next you want to add 30, 30. So in this way you want to convert this 30 by 30. So this symbol goes to square symbol 30 by 30. So this is A dash, this is D dash, this is B dash and this is C dash. Nothing but this front view is converted into in this type of front view. That's why how much angle it makes, how much angle this plane makes, we want to measure it here. That's why already A dash B dash is here only. So this is A comma B, but this is CD. That's why the CD line, you want to extend it. After that, how much length this is? 60. Why? Because in change of position method, the change is not altered. Here the how much change? This is 50. Here this is 50. The change is not altered. That's why this is 60. From here you want to make 60. You want to cut it. So that's why this much of angle, the plane is tilted. So in this way, first, so this in this much angle, this is tilted. This angle is pi. Pi angle is C under D. But after that, what he said that is inclined to HP. What is the shorter side is there? That is inclined to HP. So next stage here. Next stage, this is XY line. This is XY line. So what is the shorter side AB is there? That AB is makes angle 30. So that's why 30 to HP. So that's why here by using protractor, first anywhere we want to take 30 angle and extend the line. This is angle 30. But upon this line, we want to produce AB. AB is 30. That's why anywhere we want to take AB. Why? Because here we want to produce that's why you want to take here. So in this way, you want to draw the same figure you want to draw here. So this is B dash, this is A dash, this is C dash, this is D dash. So in this way, it converts in the final stage. It converts in the final stage. Why? Because they given that what is the shorter side of AB, that makes angle 30 with the HP. So this is the final front view. Once final front view is over, then you want to draw projectors. Draw vertically by using drafter 0 position. Draw vertically. So from this front view, already this line is there. Then CD you want to extend parallel to XY line. Now indicate that this is AB. So this is A and this is A. So that's why you want to get this is A1. Next, this is B and this is B. So this is B1. This is C and this is C. So this is C1. This is D and this is D. This is D1. So that's why now join A to B by with HB pencil, A to B, B to C, C to D, C to D and D to A. So this is the final top view. So once first you want to see that this is the rectangle. Rectangle is converted into square. See, remember square, but the angle is not given. That's why first the rectangle is converted into square. How much angle the plane makes, you want to measure it by using Y, because this length is not changes. That's why this is the AB, the point is fixed here. Then you want to extend the line. Upon that line, how much the radius is there, same radius you want to extend here. Then you want to get final P. So this is pi angle, angle of inclination with VP. After that, what is the shorter side AB is there? That side AB, it makes angle here. So this is 30. Suppose you want to draw the figure upward also, no problem. The figure sometimes you want to draw here in this side also. Why? Because this is AB, this is CD also there, then you want to draw here, that is you want to the space also. So here all conditions are satisfied, then you are the answer.